Hi, my name's Kayla Johnson, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on Wordle. Wordle is a tool that you can use semantics in the classroom when you're talking about a topic where your students can give you words and you can put them in this tool and it'll create an image or a word cloud that will come up with all the words that can focus on a particular subject. So today I'm going to show you what I've done with some of my first year students in college. On the first day of class we were talking semantics of college, and I wanted them to come up with as many words as they could that when they thought of college, what exactly came to mind. So that's going to be my example today to show you how to use Wordle. So Wordle is an easy three-step process. If you go to their homepage, wordle.net, this brings you to their homepage. If you click Create, this brings you to a box where you can type in the words that your students are giving you or what you want to demonstrate on a particular topic to further support, your topic in class. I have a list of words that my students gave me in class. I had them write them on a sticky note and give those to me, and I've typed them into this Word document. One feature to note with Wordle is if you want more than one word to stay together in this word cloud, you need to do this tilde located right here between the words so that it'll keep those words connected together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight all of my words, and I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go back to my Wordle page and I'm going to paste. So all of my words will be in this box, and you can see that the tilde has stayed with all the words. And if I click go, and here is your Wordle. So now that you have your word cloud created, all the words that you're looking for, you can play with this and design this to look like you would like for it to be. You can change colors, you can change font, you can change if you want your words to be more horizontal or more vertical or more half and half. So if you choose between font, layout, and color, you can design this how you would like for this to look. So if I wanted to change the font, I could choose a different font. And if I wanted to change how vertical or how horizontal or more half and half, I would click on layout and I could do half and half. Or if I didn't like the way that that looked, you can keep playing with it and do mostly horizontal. And if you don't like your color or you have a specific color scheme in mind, you would just click on color, and you can create your own palette, or you can use some that this website already offers for you. And if you don't like the background, you could change your background to be a white background or black. But I think this is fun and vibrant for my college students. So they've given me a list of words that they think of when they hear the word college. So we were thinking semantics, and what I plan to do with this in the classroom is I've asked them on the first day of class or first day of college, what do you think college is to you when you hear college? And these are the words that they've given to me. They anticipated all-nighters, a lot of work, hard work, student loans, debt, making new friends, independence, they have freedom, it's going to be social, it's going to be stressful. I'm going to ask this same question and do the same activity on probably the last week of class, and it's a lesson more on perception versus reality to see if their mindset changes when they think of college. Now that they have a semester under their belt, do they still think of the same things? It's likely a lot of these words will come up again, but they may have new words and new vocabulary that they'll add to their semantics when they think of college. So this is one way I plan to use this in the classroom. You could do this many other ways, especially if you're in K-12, if you're teaching a vocabulary lesson, or if you're in a government class and there's a political debate and how many words keep coming up. If within Wordle, if when you have your document, if more words come up more than once, those words tend to be larger in your document. So it's fine that a student may use the same word several times. You just want to key that into your box when you're typing in that text, and those words will become larger because it's more popular. So this is just one way that you could use Wordle, and my students enjoy seeing the image. They're visual learners. They like to see what others are coming up with, and again, it's going to be a nice comparison at the end of the semester. So easy 3 steps to create your word cloud. You go to create, you type in your words, you click go, and then you can change your layout, the color, create the font like you would like, and then you can save this image and it's yours to share with your class. I thank you for tuning in today. Have a great day.